Patriot Accounting for Business Review. Watch before using. Managing business finances can be overwhelming, and most people get this wrong. They rely on spreadsheets or generic software. Patriot Accounting offers cloud-based accounting designed for small businesses, simplifying bookkeeping, payroll, and reporting. The surprising truth is that even non-accountants can manage finances efficiently with this platform. You won't believe how user-friendly it is. Here's how it works. Patriot Accounting allows you to track income, expenses, invoices, and payments. Payroll features handle employee salaries, tax filings, and deductions. For example, a small business owner can generate monthly financial statements, pay employees, and submit taxes without hiring an accountant. Another advantage is automation. Most people assume accounting software is complicated, but Patriot reduces manual entries, provides reminders, and offers reports that help business owners make informed decisions. However, there are considerations. The software may not have advanced features needed for large or complex businesses, and customer support is primarily online. Most people assume full customization is available, but templates and preset workflows guide most tasks. In conclusion, Patriot Accounting is an excellent choice for small businesses seeking simple, reliable, and cost-effective accounting and payroll solutions. It saves time, reduces errors, and provides insights to help grow your business. Subscribe now for more honest reviews of business and finance tools.